Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. And if you like this item today, all you got to do, add it to your shopping cart, check out really fast, and they'll ship this to you really fast. And hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying safe, staying home, being productive. Hopefully this will be all over soon. And we have here, oh boy, more of these guys coming from TECKIN. Not the video game. I wish it was a video game, but these are really cool instead too. We got these smart switches. We'll be doing an install shortly on them. Smart dimmer switch. There's all the good stuff. Voice control, Google and Alexa. Mechanical on and off. Device sharing, touch, dimming. And then also these guys. 3-way smart light switch. TECKIN. There's in front. There's that. We'll take a look inside. See how these are. And like I said, if you like these, definitely check them out. I won't be able to install them because of what's going on with the certain health crisis, but I can show them off to you guys what they look like. But once I get the this thing over with, I'll definitely have them installed, and I'll do a review recap video, which I'm hoping will be in a couple weeks maybe. It would be really nice if that does happen, so I could at least have my installer come by and install it, because I'm afraid that I will lose power or do something that I shouldn't be touching in the beginning. So I will leave it to the professionals to install these. I am no professional when it comes to electrical work. So, and if you guys want to see, stay tuned. Like I said, hopefully in like 2 weeks I can have these videos up and show you guys the whole installation. But this is what it looks like coming out of the package. Here's the wires. Here's that. So yeah, everything was ready to go, and all this had to happen. You got them. We're gonna need those. You got the manual. There's an app you're gonna have to download and do all that good stuff to it. Dimming light. Oh, that comes with LED status. Nice. Yeah, these are really nice to have, guys. App control, device sharing, touch dimming. So this is the smart dimmer switch. There it says, right there, it looks like really nice white. But I'll put it to good use though, for sure. And like I said, I'm hoping by next week, maybe this weekend, that I could get my installer out here. But right now, his wife is keeping him locked down. So it happens, you know. Gotta stay safe, stay home. That's why I'm not gonna rush no one right now, especially during this time. So hopefully you guys don't get mad that you don't see a full install right now. But we gotta understand, due to certain circumstances, that can't get it done today. I mean, I wish I could, I would, but today is definitely not the day. But I hit the notification too, and I'll show you guys the install and all that once you hear that bell ring, 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 and that means the video will be uploaded. So I'm hoping, like I said, maybe this weekend. If not, it will be definitely, how do I open this? Within the next 2 weeks, because I know we're getting in closer to one of the phases where they're gonna ease up on the thing that's going on. So I'm in Michigan, so that's where we're at, and it's slowly going away. So there we go. Not sure if that was how I was supposed to open it, but we did it. that later on. And this is the 3-way smart light switch. But when I do the install, it's going to be separate. So this video will have them two together, even though they're a little bit different with this dimmer switch and 3-way light switch. This is a dimmer switch. And nice right there. Here's the click clack. Here's the back. Here's that. Yeah, I'm gonna use a smart switch, smart light switch. That's what I'm gonna install. First one. So, and it comes with a nice little faceplate, like the other ones did. I'll take that out of the bag. Show you guys that, but yeah, these are really nice. And this is what it looks like when it's like in the wall, nice flush mounted. So, like I said, I wish I could install it today, guys. Really do wish I could, but under certain circumstances, we cannot get her done. That's what they are. But yeah, I definitely wish I could put these in today, but you know, sometimes it happens like that, though. But this is the first time this whatever's going on happened, so I wish I could do more for you guys, but that's about it. TECKIN LED dimmable 250 watts 430 all that smart switch SR46, Apple and Google Play. Pretty much got those. And I think it's pretty much the same thing. Yep, Google Play. Back. Customer service. But really nice though. Here's that. Like I said, mount. Oops. Boom. Boom. But I'm gonna double check with them too. I'm gonna give them another text probably today. See, maybe we could get one up. That'd be really cool. But right now, hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing video for the TECKIN smart dimmer switches. And like I said, get them at a low cost. Here's the second one. And like I said, get these shipped to you. So I'll leave the links down below. It'll take you to their whole main page. So if you like these dimmer switch and a 3-way smart light switch, so I'll install one in my room, and then also probably the bathroom. There you go. Maybe that's not it. Huh. Okay, so you go in the back. Okay, that's locked in. But definitely thank you guys for watching tonight, and hit the subscribe button, and like I said, hit the notification bell, and once videos get uploaded they will be installed. But right now, this is what we get right now. So thank you guys for watching. Check them out. TECKIN, your electrical needs for your home. Let's see what else they have. And that's a gift. I think they got other like light bulbs and stuff like that. Smart plugs. So pretty much they got everything you need for your home, your office. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we got these. That's what they look like. There you go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day and see you guys soon.